Did you know that nearly 70% of car owners are unknowingly damaging their vehicles every single day without realizing it? From tiny habits to skipped checks, these silent mistakes could be costing you thousands in repairs. Let's find out if you've been doing any of this. Welcome back to Smart Auto Hack, your go-to channel for practical car tips that saves you money, stress, and breakdowns. In today's video, we are uncovering the most common car maintenance mistakes that almost every driver makes. Yes, you heard me right. Even those experienced ones. Some of these may seem small or harmless, but over time, they can wear down your engine, drain your fuel, and shorten your car's lifespan without warning. So, if you want your vehicle to run smoother, last longer, and avoid those sudden mechanic bills, stay with me till the end, because some of this will surprise you.
It started making this rattling sound right after the oil change.
Okay, let me check the serpentine belt tensioner. That's a common issue on these models.
Here's the truth. Most car owners don't neglect maintenance on purpose. The problem is misinformation and assumptions. We assume the car still drives, so it's fine. Or, I'll fix it when it gets serious. But that mindset is expensive. A simple overdue oil change can turn into an engine replacement. Ignoring a tiny dashboard warning light can lead to a complete system failure. And something as small as driving with underinflated tires not only wastes fuel, but puts your safety at risk. These aren't extreme cases. These happen to regular drivers every day. And the worst part, most of these issues could have been avoided with just 2 minutes of attention. All right, let's break down the mistakes most drivers are guilty of without even knowing it. Mistake number 1. Ignoring dashboard warning lights. That little light is a decoration. Even if the car still runs fine, that light could be detecting an early failure. Fixing it now could cost $40. Ignoring it could cost $900 plus later. Here's mistake number 2. Skipping or delaying all changes. You might think, what's a few extra weeks? But old oil loses its ability to lubricate your engine, causing parts to grind and wear down faster. That leads to expensive internal damage. And here's mistake number 3. Using the wrong fuel or ignoring fuel quality. Cheap, low-grade fuel may not harm your vehicle or your car instantly, but long-term use creates deposits in your engine and reduces performance and fuel efficiency. Here's mistake number 4. Not checking your tire pressure regularly. This one is huge. Underinflated tires increase fuel consumption, affects braking, and can even lead to tire blowouts at higher speeds. And here's mistake number 5. Only checking fluids when there's a problem. Coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid. They don't need to wait until a failure warning shows up. A quick check once in a while can prevent serious mechanical damage. These mistakes all have one thing in common. They're very easy to avoid if you know what to look for. Now, out of all the mistakes, the most overlooked and the most dangerous is actually the tire pressure. Sounds simple, right? But driving with incorrect tire pressure can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 10%, make your car harder to control in emergencies. It can wear out your tires twice as fast, and the worst case scenario can cause accidents due to tire failure. So, here's the kicker. A 30-second check once a week could save you hundreds of dollars yearly and even protect your life. That's the power of small habits. And don't forget, before you go, just in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please just smash that subscribe button. It's right under this video at that lower right hand corner, so you can be notified when we drop informative and educative videos like this, so you don't miss any of them. Thank you. I will see you again in the next video.